So this is a short tutorial as to how to use Google Documents. So once you've logged into your student Gmail account, press this button and then you go to Google Drive. Once you go to this, another tab should open, and within this you can use a wide array of utilities. For example, once this loads, you can create Google Documents or forms or spreadsheets, whatever kind of fits the purpose of what you're trying to do. So as you can see here, forms is quite good for making questionnaires, etc. if you need to in the future. But for now we're just going to focus on Google Documents. So you can upload your own, but normally if you make it on the thing it's a lot easier to manage. So with Google Documents you can just type, it just works like normal Windows, so you can go how to improve feedback, and then you can make this bold and change the size, whatnot, and then that's it. And then what you do is just press share. And I'll call this feedback. So when you share, you can either send this to certain people or you can get a shareable link, which means that anyone can access it. So you want to do it to anyone can comment, not anyone can edit. So press that, and then this would be the link, and you press done. So what happens now is if we open a new private window, is that if we access this as a third party, this is what it looks like. So let's put them side by side. So here, the one in red is basically who has made the document. So here it says Leslie Tang, but in your case it would be pharmacy rep, whatever your account is. So right now this person is suggesting, and you can tell if you're looking at the same time, this will pop up if there's someone else. So let's say we go, that was a mistake on my behalf. Okay, I can't. There we go. Let's take the build up. Cool. Do more polls. So as you can see, as soon as someone types something, let's refresh this. So as soon as someone types something, you get instant feedback right into your own document. Obviously you don't have to be there all the time to monitor it, but if you look, if the person has a Gmail account themselves, it'll have their name or whatever thing they have, but it shows what they've written and you can accept or deny it. So if someone's written something inappropriate, you can just delete it, but it lets you know. So right now it gave you another one because once I refreshed it, it came up as another person. So you can write something else like have a feedback box. So here you can see everything's done real time. So you can either set a certain time where you go on and then you answer people's questions using this as a different interface, or you can just leave it there. You can type up what questions, you can write down certain pre-made questions like does anyone have issues with numeracy, or with the numeracy modules themselves. So then people can see that and then they can all write down below and you can get all that feedback. And the good thing about this is that once everyone's filled it in, you can just print it off and then send that as feedback to the year lead or whoever is the relevant person. So once you've done that, if you actually go back to your Gmail, you don't have to monitor this yourself. So if you go to your Gmail, as soon as somebody has written a comment, it should come out like this. So this should tell you someone's written what, and then you can actually check the document itself. So Google Documents is a very handy tool. Google Forms is quite good as well, but you guys can explore that in your own time. If you guys need any help or don't understand anything, just drop me an email and I'll try and respond as soon